Èṣù láàrú, ọlọ́run ọdẹ láàróyè, olórí bọ́dá tí ń jẹ látọ̀ ọ̀pá, Èṣù ẹlẹ́kùn sunkún láàróyè ń ṣẹjẹ. Greetings. Today we want to celebrate a new day with our family and friends who are here sharing our same world by the grace of Eledumare. Thanks for hearing us. Feel completely comfortable with this time that we are using to discuss more about our culture and religion. Today we have a special guest expert on the culture. Let him introduce himself with his passions about Ifa and Orisha tradition. Abura Boye. Eka san o baba.
Eka san o, ẹ kú ọjọ́ mẹ́ta o.
Àṣẹ.
Ṣàlàáfíà ni.
Àlàáfíà ni gbogbo wa. Can you tell us Àṣẹ about you?
Yes, I'm Afolabi Esuleke, the son of Baale Esu of Osogbo. I'm Esu, an Ifa priest.
Correct. So we are using this time to fix some concepts for Yoruba culture and tradition for our Mexican people and people who are speaking Spanish and English. We are using this time.
Okay.
The first question is, who are the Yoruba people?
Yoruba people is a tribe in Nigeria. We are from southwest in Nigeria. You know, we have 3 tribes in Nigeria. We have Hausa tribe, we have Igbo, and Yoruba. Yoruba is third. It's one of Nigerian tribe, a group of people.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Perfect. Inside the Yoruba community, during the activities of religious groups in Africa, could you explain us the relationship between gods and humanity?
Yeah, you see, Yoruba people, we believe in gods. When you say gods, you are talking about Orishas or God, Olodumare. Which one?
Maybe you can give us little explanation about each one.
Okay. If you are talking about God, we call God Olodumare, Oba Ajike, Edumare, Oba Ajige, Ogege Batimbele Ayegun. You see, Olodumare is the one who created me, who created you, the one that created the heaven, the earth, the one that created all human beings and everything that living under the earth, inside the water, on the ground, everywhere. But when you are talking about gods, those are the Orisha that work with Olodumare.
Okay.
Yeah, there's somebody like Obatala, Chango, Oshun, Esu. They are all gods. Many of the Ifa, so they are gods.
And
so,
yes.
Which one you said? Are you talking about God, Eledumare, or gods?
Let's say today gods, Orisha.
Good. You see, your question is there. What is the ask the question again now? Like the difference between gods and humanity.
Okay. Yes. Could you explain us the relationship between gods, Orisha, and human being?
Yeah. The relationship between, firstly, the the gods, they are all messenger of Olodumare. But we human being, we are the one that Olodumare created. So if we are praying, we need something from Olodumare. We pass through gods. Let me give you a good example.
Yes.
For example, if I need something like I'm praying for good fortune, I'm praying for a relationship, good relationship, I'm praying for blessings in my life, I will pass through gods. Firstly, I will go to Ifa, like go to my Ifa, seek, like cast Odu, to know what I will do. Maybe which God I will feed.
Okay.
To deliver my prayer to Olodumare. We are human beings, but these gods, they are messenger of Olodumare. We commit sin every day. We are sin, we do something that gods can never do. Human being, we can lie from morning to evening. You can do anything, but those gods, they don't deal with liars. They don't deal with betrayers. They are pure in everything. They are different, totally different. They are angels. Let me use angels for them. They are angels of Olodumare. But we are human beings.
All right.
These gods, they are not human beings. They are gods.
Perfectly. So moving with the next question, now that we are talking about Orisha, and now that you are a priest of Esu in traditional Yoruba religion and culture, who is Esu for the Yoruba people?
Esu is one of Olodumare's messenger. Esu is, I will use Esu like a policeman. I will use Esu like a judgment, like the one that is deal with somebody that go against God's will, and is also a messenger that carry all the sacrifice and deliver it to Olodumare. Not only Olodumare, the one that feeds all the other Orisha, even including Iyami, is the one that deliver everything to them. That is why you see all priests or priestess, they must have Esu in their house. Because when you make ebo, you make sacrifice, you go and put it in front of Esu. The Esu will take your sacrifice and be like, okay, out of this sacrifice, a small piece go to Iyami, some go to, he knows who and who to feed. He knows who and who to give this sacrifice to. That is work of Esu.
Okay, all right. Esu is the messenger.
He's a messenger, the one who carry all the sacrifice to the heaven.
Okay.
And to all the Orishas.
Our next question is, sometimes Esu is considered as the trickster of the world. Does Esu have special role for the world?
Yes. A big role in everybody's life, in any human being's life. Esu has a big role. Like I said earlier, Esu, for me, Esu is not a trickster. No. Esu is doing what Olodumare sent him to do. The reason why they call Esu a trickster is because anybody that calls Esu a trickster is a trickster. Esu is not a trickster. He trick those people, like he confuse those people that don't listen to instruction, that don't listen to God's wills, that don't listen to any priest. For example, you went to Awu to do sacrifice, to consult, and Awu warn you not to that Awu said, oh, make the able feed Esu. And first of all, in any reading you are doing, we don't see it, but Esu is around, listening to everything. That is why the sacrifice is very, very important. So when if a priest told you the instruction, give you the message, or Olorisha use the Kavishe to give you the message and tell you what to do, like feed this, do this, even after you do the sacrifice, and they warn you, don't go out today after the sacrifice.
Mm-hmm.
But you say, well, I have did the sacrifice, I do everything, let me go out. Esu, something bad will happen, but it will not be like, okay, you don't do the sacrifice. It will be different, but Esu will still take it out due to the sacrifice you do. Okay. Do you understand what I mean by that?
Yes.
Like, okay, you make the offering. After you make the offering, but you was sworn not to go out, and we will be like, okay, you have made the sacrifice. Let me just go out there and do something. You may go out there and see somebody. Oh, why are you going out? Or like something may happen. Like, okay, let me just sit down a little bit and relax. You may fall asleep. When you wake up, the time will pass. The time of maybe if you go out by then, something bad may happen to you. But you say, let me just sit a little bit. On your seat, you will fall asleep. So you fall asleep just for you not to see that bad thing. But some people have hard-headed. Like, okay, let me just go out. Nothing will happen to me. Then they will see something strange. Like, oh, why Esu trick me? They will now put in blame on Esu. No, Esu didn't trick.
Mm-hmm.
Esu trying to save. He used his trick, like he used his work, his power to put the confusion to woman's life. Those people that Esu put confusion in their life call Esu a trickster. That, oh, he tricked me. No. Those people don't listen to the message, or they listen but they don't care. Mm-hmm. So Esu have a big growth, very big growth in everything we are doing in this life.
Perfect.